What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. But as you can tell by the title of this video, we not only have one unboxing, but we got two unboxing. Not two regular unboxings, but we got two heat unboxing, and in my opinion they are my grails. I've been looking for both of these hats for months, literally, and nobody had one of these hats, and everybody had the other hat, but they were charging an arm and a leg. But as you can tell, I got both of my grails in these boxes, bro. But without further ado, we finna get into this unboxing. It's always good when you can come and get your grail hats, bro, for an amazing price. But let's get into this unboxing. For the fit of the day, you can already tell by the title of this video what this is. This is an Ox Pack unboxing. So you already know we got the Ox Pack on that didn't come back. What we got? We got the Watch the Throne Yankees. Kanye and Jay-Z. Check out that World Series patch, bro. This hat is too clean. Metallic gold almost all over. The stitching is crazy. And check out that brim, bro. Crazy hat. Underrated in my opinion. White sweatband. You cannot go wrong with this hat. If you go wrong, you can't dress. Simple. What's next? We getting into the vibes for the day. No cap. Go ahead and get your aromas going. We got that pineapple lily. For sure. It just smells so good. You just gotta have some. Just keep those vibes going. Good aromas, good vibes. Even greater unboxings. Bro, we finna open these grails. The vibes are immaculate. I'm still waiting on one of them to come in the mail. But it's like a double up of one of these hats, and I'm gonna tell y'all later. But pineapple lily, man, it's a dope scent. But let's get into this unboxing. All right. So story how I got these hats. So basically, everybody, y'all know Made by Eric. He makes the Starboard pens, one of the hottest pens in the game right now. He posted on his story that he had an Instagram sale. Now originally, I seen that he had one of them hats that I'm looking for. It was the Gold Digger Yankees with the 75th what's that, world anniversary patch, and I needed that bad because that patch was crazy. But it was a 1/4, and I wear a 3/8, 5/8, and 7.5. So he told me it was a 1/4, and then I seen that he had something else. When I looked in the corner of my eye, I was like, yeah, I need that hat right there. It was a Minnesota Twins two-tone from the Hatclub Candy Collection. And I seen it was for $85. That's a steal in my book. Everybody else charging an arm and leg. Plus you can't find this hat anywhere. And I was looking, couldn't find it. You know, other hat stores make their own variation of the hat, but it doesn't look as good as the original. So I went ahead, got it for a steal, a snag. You already know I had to. I went ahead and copped it. Now we finna get into that unboxing. For sure. Which one is it? Right here. Actually, since we're doing a candy pack, let's do a brim switch real quick. Yes, sir. Check them out. We got the we got the Twix Blue Jays from the Hatclub Candy Collection. I almost forgot what I was gonna say there. But yeah, we doing a brim switch real quick. Facts. Come on. But this one, it's a 3/8, so I'm hoping it fit real good. I tried on one before, so it should fit. Hopefully it does. And they go with my Lightning 4s over there, so I'm extremely excited. One of my grails, let's go. Dang. Hatclub Candy Pack pen, of course. And then I was hoping he threw in a pen. I was hoping he threw in a Made by Eric pen. But without further ado, bam. We got the Minnesota Twins two-tone. That brown and yellow is crazy. It's supposed to be out there M&M's, the peanuts. This patch is insane. Two-tone, we got the yellow right here, we got the brown, we got the Minnesota Twins logo, looking just like the peanut M&M's, bro. But check out this patch. Oh my gosh. So that's not crazy. That's too crazy. Yeah, that's insane. We got that flat batter man right here with a gray bottom. Bro, this hat is insane. Let me see this match up with the fours real. I got the fours and I got the hat. Now, they match. They match. That's a crazy combo. That's a crazy combo. I'm finna go stupid. Wow. They really match. That's good to know, but can I fit this though? It's a real question. I got something for this. Give me a second. It looked like it don't fit though. This is what I meant when I said I got something for it. We finna steam this. Oh, almost forgot. Almost forgot. Let's get those stickers off. Don't need that one. This goes in here. So is the baseball. I like to keep my stickers. Now that that's done, steam that bad boy. So we're gonna steam it, then we're gonna use the water bottle method. Cause this hat needs to fit me or I'm going to freak out. And if it don't fit, this is gonna be in the giveaway. Focus on me. Facts. So if you're a 3/8 and I can't fit this jump, I'ma cry. But it's gonna get given away. Good. Turn that bad boy off. Yeah. Water bottle method plus the steamer. So we're done curving. It's gonna look like this. You already know. We're not gonna wear it like that. It's gonna loosen up when we put it on. So there we go. Yes, sir. She fits. Oh yeah. Man, I was hoping the jump fit. No cap. Well, now we know that it fits. We about to move on to our next unboxing. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for. I've been wanting this hat since last summer. Now it is finally in my possession and we are about to unbox it. Man, everybody been trying to crack my head for this hat. I almost bought it from somebody. Looked like I didn't have any money at that time to buy it because I was like, still too much for me. But now I hit on retail twice. I got another one on the way. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I just had to double up on this hat. I'm glad they dropped the Alta pack again. By the time of this video, you should already know what it is. You know Kanye my favorite artist. I hope FedEx didn't mess up my crown. I'm gonna be upset even though I got another one on the way. But still. This is my Grail hat. Kanye my favorite artist. Favorite album too. Literally. Got our paperwork. Throw that away. Let's get the pen first. Oh. That's a nice pen. It's from the Oxpack collection from Hatclub. They doing dope work on these pens, bro. Like Hatclub, they just been killing it with the pens. The moment we've all been waiting for. Well, I know I've been waiting for it. Years. A year. Throw that box. Boom. Hatclub Oxpack Graduation. Kanye West best album, in my opinion. In my opinion. Come on now. Ooh, that ultraviolet goes crazy. Man. Got that Wrigley Field patch. Look at that. Just immaculate. Now I said I wasn't gonna curve this, but I am, because I got another one on the way anyway. And that one's not gonna get curved. It's just gonna go up there with some of my DS hats. So, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but black sweatband. Yeah, I know I love the black sweatband. This hat just has everything that I want in it. It's just a crazy hat, bro. Look at the details. It's like a Target and then the Cubs, bro. Man, I'm trying to tell y'all, this one of them ones, if you missed out, I'm sorry for you. Like, I'm literally sorry for you. I've been trying to get this hat for the longest. Now we about to get it ready to wear. Stickers off. Now it's steaming time. Some people like to put theirs in a cup or mug afterwards, but I just like to do mine with the water bottle. Y'all already know. Y'all know how we get down over here. Grail hat. And you know the colors are different. Plus this hat is not from Bangladesh now. It's from China. So slightly different fit. Well, not slightly. Sometimes a big difference. But I'm about to see how this fits on my head. The colors are different too. They're supposed to look more like the album, which they do. I know they changed that from the Wale and the Graduation. So I found my water bottle. Now let's curve it. How did I do it the last time? There we go. Mold and hold. Y'all know how it go. Give me a couple. And without further ado, we get this, but you know we're not wearing it like this. This is how it looks after we curve it. We take it, throw it on. Whew, man. I just love it. It's one of them hats. Y'all people that changed back to the Oxpack. Yeah. But man, this is one of them runs, bro. For sure. Like, if you slept on this, I'm just sorry. These one of them ones, man. I know it's not coming out no more, but crazy hat for sure. But without further ado, y'all, this has been another unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications. We are almost to 900 subscribers. At 1,000, you know what I'm saying, we're doing something big for y'all. So make sure y'all tuned in with your boy. And this is it right here, you know what I'm saying, end of the video. So peace.